Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin pie dough updated. Start by chilling the butter and keeping ingredients cold, then pulse flour and salt in a food processor. Add cold butter until pea-sized, sprinkle ice water and fold quickly. Form a disc, chill for at least 30 minutes, and roll gently to fit your pie plate for a tender, flaky crust that bakes evenly. Gather the ingredients and prepare your workspace with a light dusting of flour and a chilled bowl. Measure 1/2 cups flour and 1 teaspoon salt, then cut 8 tablespoons cold unsalted butter into cubes. Keep ice water ready in a separate glass. Work quickly to combine until dough resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces, then press into a disc and refrigerate to relax gluten and firm the fats. Be gentle and deliberate when bringing the dough together, using ice water a tablespoon at a time to prevent sogginess. Keep butter in visible pea-sized pieces to promote flakiness, and handle the dough as little as possible to avoid toughness. Roll between parchment to a uniform thickness, transfer by folding and drape into the pan, then dock and chill briefly for best oven spring and a golden, tender crust that complements your pumpkin filling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.